This Cadillac XT5 has a strong gas V6 3.6 liters engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power UltraView double-sized glass roof that opens over first row, tilt sliding with express open and power sunshade, engine, 3.6 liters V6, DI, VVT, with automatic stop/start, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts, at 6,600 revolutions per minute, 271 pounds-to-foot of torque, 366 Nm, at 5,000 revolutions per minute, STD, wireless charging. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or Qi compatible mobile device. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see gmtotalconnect.ca. These packages will make your Cadillac XT5 luxury AWD the envy of onlookers. Wipers, front intermittent, rain sense with moisture detection, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, acoustic laminated, windshield and front door glass, windows, power front express up and down, rear express down and comfort open, auto express down via key fob, wheels, 18x8. 45.7 cm by 20.3 cm, bright machine faced with light argent accents, USB ports, 4+2 auxiliary power outlets, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, traction control, full range, powertrain and brake modulated, tires, P235/65 R18 all season, age-rated, black wall, tire pressure monitoring system, tire inflation kit, deleting when, ZCD, compact spare tires ordered, switch, drive sense system, suspension, 4-wheel independent, steering, electric power steering, EPS, assist, steering wheel, leather wrapped. Visit us today. Test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-home beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.